Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the garage. We're going to take the kiln apart and stack the wood and let it dry. It's already dry. It's bug free. And we're going to mill it up too. So, as you've seen on yesterday's video, or last night's video, we didn't get a lot done that we wanted to get done. So we're going to get at it a little bit today. I'm at it right now until I go to church. But I got most of the barn wood cleaned up. I got two little 1x that I forgot about that got nails in. I got to take that out. And we're going to get it cleaned up and start some projects. I'm excited. I did check this morning, but 37 subscribers. Thanks, guys. Really, thanks. Magic number for me right now is 100. That's my magic number. So I'm going to turn this off, and I'm going to break the kiln down. You've seen me put it together. I'll do a video when I'm stacking the hardwood over here. And hopefully this afternoon we can get the planer and the joiner out. I need to clean up. There's sawdust everywhere. I don't have dust collection. I have the shop vac and it's a small one. So, it's over there, rigid. So, I was going to do this on the last video, but I'll do it now. You see the license plates right there? I'd like to start that from different states, different countries even. I think it'd be cool. Brother Vest gave me a couple of these. He picked them up for me. I picked up a couple at a flea market. Brian, that gave me the the table saw, gave me this one and this one. Thanks, Brian. You the man. Appreciate it. So, I'm going to let you go, and I'll get back with you in a minute. That is a pile of sawdust, guys. Wow. Got something to eat after church. Come out here, started cleaning, and wasn't going to do too much because of the heat, but decided to just start planing. But I found out I got some good stuff. So, yeah. So there's some oak. It's barn wood oak, but it's a lot nicer than what I thought it was gonna be. And I got all this planed. There's like 4 or 5 pieces here. There's the three right there. You know, there's 2 underneath this one, but those are the best ones. These ones right here are a little ate up, but still, that is a top for something. And then this is all fir. There's some good stuff here too. There's almost enough here for another project. Thing is, this fir cost me. My planer blades are shot. And then I thought that was cedar, but I'm pretty sure That's redwood. That's some pretty nice stuff right there. That's another project. And that's some more oak. This stuff's all down to 1/2 inch, 3/4 or 1/2 inch. So that was the planing, and then you see the rest. That's some pretty good stock right there. Plus what we've got up here. Yeah, we've got some pretty good stock, and we got some more barn and walnut that we're going to get on our next supply run. So, and then whatever else we can scavenge up. So, yeah, I'm going to make this into a video, and we're going to call it a day. So, if you really like the videos, subscribe, share, and like. I promise you, you'll like more. I'm getting better at this. I really am. I'm getting better. Forget the sawdust and glare on the glasses, all that good stuff. But anyway, be blessed. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out Instagram also. Be blessed. We'll talk to you later. Maybe tomorrow. Bye.